Hello friends, welcome back to the second part of the topic work, power and energy, where in my previous lecture we understood the concept of work, we saw its formula with even example. And in this lecture we are going to understand and see the topic work necessary to lift a body. It means we'll discuss on what work is required to lift a body from position 1 to position 2. Suppose this is our body which is lying at position 1 on the ground. Now we want to lift this body to position 2, that is to a particular height. We are not defining the height but just keeping it as h. So if you want to lift this body from position 1 to position 2, then what work actually is required, and that will be getting into in this lecture. So to lift the mass m from position 1 to position 2, some work has to be done. So suppose this is a mass. The mass what we are talking about in this definition, some work is to be done, right? As per our discussion in the previous lecture, we also know the formula for work done, that is work done required to lift this body, that will be force into displacement. See, here we are not talking about just lifting of the body or whatever, but work done is equal to force into displacement is the universal formula to find out what work actually is required to move anything. Here we are lifting the box. So work done is equal to force into displacement, that is W is equal to force into h. Here we are talking about h, that is height. Height is the displacement. We can even write small h or capital H, but we'll in general keep small h over here because we have kept small h. So this is small h. This is our displacement, position 1 to position 2, change in the position. So that is small h, F into h. But now talking about force required should be in this direction, right? Because we want to lift the body in this direction. But what force will be required, that will be equal to the weight of the box. Weight will be acting downwards towards the center of gravity, or we would say towards the gravity of the earth. So this is weight. Force required will be equal to weight to lift the body. And what is the weight? W is equal to m into g, mass into gravitational acceleration. So we can say that F is equal to m into g. The F is equal to W, force required to lift the box will be equal to weight of the box. So force is equal to m into g. So here I will be replacing this F with mass into gravitational acceleration. Replace this F with m into g. So W is equal to m into g into this displacement, that is small h. So in this way we are having the formula W is equal to m into g into h. From this, W is equal to m into g into h, where m is mass, g is gravitational acceleration, and h is the displacement, this small h. So basically now we are having this formula W is equal to mgh, that is work done to required lift any body. This is the universal formula to find out work done to lift any body. So this is what our concept is for today, where we saw how can we find out work done to lift any body. So friends, this is all about the second part of the topic, work, power and energy. Wait for the third part, and thank you for watching.